Hello guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Part two. Me no say all of una know wetin dey happen. No say all of una know wetin dey happen for social media. Although the matter e no concern me, according to the investigation for yesterday, the matter no concern me at all. According to the investigation yesterday, say see, because yesterday night I don't see find out some kind things. When we say yes, when we say as the matter take start, you understand? As the matter take start, I thank God say the matter not concern me. So what me they try to talk now be this. What me they try to talk now be this. As far as say person when do video, they different. So at least before now talk something, or the way what when I share this video, before now talk something, or now talk person name, when we say come out, come insult person, may I make sure say una confirm. Because why? I will say a no gay not come out that yesterday, go do investigation, say see at the matter take pass. A name smokite ariane. You understand? To spoil name, it's very easy. But to go build the name back again, now there Wahala day. So please, let them hear where and social media. Okay, I'm ready to move any here. You understand? Because everybody knows how to build the name. Don't be social media blow me. I don't feel the rain. I don't feel the do things. You understand? So when I don't call the physical now, social media presenters now they blow me. Not be social media presenters blow me. So when I don't get that one from mine. What if they try to talk now? Now be this. Then Happinex. Now talk word. Not be MC Monkey. Now Happinex now talk word. Because they no get do investigation yesterday. Now Happinex talk word. Now the other call the talk say now it's Monkey friend. Now it's Monkey gang. I not get gang. Why you gotta take them a video? Why you gotta take them a video? May Happinex come out, make God talk the truth. Say see people when we say send me oh, see people when send me. And I do oh come out corner where now this was sena, now this was sena. So the cause problem follow everywhere. No, because according to the investigation yesterday, they say na 7,000 naira. Now they give am when they say they do that video. 7,000. Now they say they give that boy when we say they do that video. Can you imagine? 7,000 when we say not reach anything. Now you put out for the problem when we say your day so 7,000 naira. Because the investigation it really go well yesterday. 7,000 naira. What if be 7,000? Because of 7,000 naira. You just have to spoil your name. You carry your mama leg get social media, carry your family leg get social media because of 7,000 naira. At least, for example, say person when you do that kind of video, when you know say that it go bring problem come, at least 800,000, 1 million. Then you know say yes, if that problem come, you fit spend that money put 7,000. You see as poverty worry person. Hey, I beg, mama, you get one woman when they say is your newly come on social media now. I beg, mama, the matter not concern you. Remove yourself from this issue because when we say presenters say they insult me, mama, you not come out. I say talk show now you me they talk to. Because I see yesterday when we they talk to a no gay for call. Say me no gay rest of that boy issue. May they leave her because say the boy not get papa. But the time we say they tell they insult MC Monkey, you not come out call to say MC Monkey, you not know one, no two for the issue. You not come out to. But now we say they want to get the truth. You dey say me they leave the boy. You dey pity for the boy. The boy not get father. The boy not get this one. The boy not get that one. So mama I say talk show. I beg, just take clear. stay clear from this matter. You understand? Because this matter e no concern you. You understand? Wetin concern person na person dey talk with. This matter no concern me o. I will say presenter no come out come insult me, throw words come meet me. I for not come out for that yesterday say person dey insult me or want to know. I for not your come out for that yesterday at all. For not your come out because if me not come out, they not go know the difference between MC Monkey and Happinex. You understand? So that if me come out that yesterday, called defend myself. And before me come out, I take permission from presenter say I want come out to call defend myself. But they not call the fee say na me and the boy na I gather do the video together. Before we ever go do video, I don't know. Before we ever go do video, me I don't know. Now I say Benin now dey like this, so I know the person say they wrong. Who they do bad, now they wrong. And that's so if the matter recast tomorrow, say they go arrest me. Before you arrest me, you must get evidence of what you arrest me for. How I get arrest you, man? Never. I get arrest you, man. Because when we say they insult me now, no presenter come out apart from a no-gear, one of Deutschland. A no-gear, now let a no-gear come out. Call the defense say MC Monkey are innocent. Because why? Me not no time when we say they do video. Do that one. I don't know time when we say they do video. So I beg, may not clean my name. See, may not clean my name. Most of all those presenters, may not clean my name from this issue. Now today I may come last for this matter. May not come out again. When I like when I will insult me for that next year. When I not get anything when I insult one to me. So far, what you want to tell una for peace to take day for between me and una. May I just clean my name come up for this matter. Because Happinex not be my family member. You understand? Happinex not be my family member. Me they tell una so. Happinex is not my family members. So may I clean my name from una issue. You understand? May I clean my name from social media. Wahala. I don't come out again because anything make me come out again. People when we say they insult me will call the reply now. Because when this boy come out call insult Babana, nobody talk. You understand? Lucky Staffer. So what you want to tell now? May I clean my name from that matter. And smoking on no one, you don't know two. I don't go come out again. Me they tell now. I don't go come out because video want me to do yesterday. Many bloggers they cut that video, carry for their page. And me tells me they cut them. So when I clean my name from una social media issue, I not be social media MC. You understand? Because one person of you come out from nowhere call they spoil my name, I call fall down. So me never throw words of insult go give anybody. So me I clean my name from that issue for peace today. You understand? Me I clean my name. I don't go come out again call talk because if me my phone on the off, anything just make me enter social media, I just say message to MC Monkey. That person when we say get that page, na me go fire you direct. Because why? Before you go talk word, person when we say you insult musician, now you first confirm the boy na my friend, yes, but some kind friends dey when we say they go dey do you like this. You understand? They go dey play you 419. Now we tell them say make give me chance, make in fact make you give me space, make run from me. You understand me? So make you run from me. Because why? They say, you understand me? So because they say what affect one affect others. May not come be say stone when we say they will take blind the eye. Now say they will still take blind me. You understand? So now people take come out now. Say now today go be the last day, first and last. When we say me go come out, go talk on this issue. Because this issue not concern me. I will say presenter not come out, come make sure my name, say the boy na my gang. I for not come out that yesterday, call the talk. If I look when I say Benin every day, I know the wrong. You understand? So me not the wrong. If the matter cast, say the corporate police come, I will follow na go station. But the video when we say me tell insult person, if I see that video give me, man go jail. You understand? So I dey do as I want to make name. People fit know me. When I want to use on social media, Wahala want to kill my career. I beg you. I don't want to come out again. I don't want to come out again. I don't want to come out again. Me does it talk and say I go dey look friends. Pardon me. Me does it talk and say I go dey look friends. When we say me go dey waka follow, because friends they are betrayers. You understand? It don't tell when this Happinex matter when they talk so. It don't tell when me they want Happinex they come say I beg. Since you say you want to do MC, Because why? We go one show that was January 17 year. I don't want to make sure the musician, they may not come inside, they carry the musician. Matter come out. The man station office be my portion. So we can't go the live on stage. The one where we say this boy they talk to MCs. The MC can come and say, MC Monkey, this boy they insult me, or Happinex they insult me. Then me get up. When I say na my friend, me go meet Happinex say, you want to say you see newly at time MC work. What you say you try to see come build your name. What you call you consign MC. What you say you see they go they insult. Happinex want talk. Oh when since me they behave like mumu they follow them. They behave like boy follow them. Man no they talk that matter again. You understand? Man no they talk that issue again. Man no they talk again. Man no they talk again. Let me rest. Then now God now save me. Even this video when we say they go around for social media so now me and I for do this video. What if the God will save me? Now because of my shaman side when me day, now make God save me. You understand? So before me go do any video give person now or wish person a happy birthday, I'll first interview that person first. Because what they now, what they social media now. So I want to try to clean my neck comot. You understand? I want to try to clean my neck comot. Me not clean my neck comot for that book. Happinex is different from a monkey. I don't want to come out again. I don't want to come out again. I don't want to come out again. I don't want to call anybody name. They insult anybody for this my Facebook. No. I don't want me to kill my career. And they try to build my name. Make Murphy go far for life. You understand? Murphy go far for life. If not because of this boy matter, no presenter for come and call you something. Because not because I presenters. You understand? I mean never come on for social media, call beg person money, say, me not do it for you, and I dey so far, I dey do this one. Never. You don't feel happen. You understand? So I beg. Me not clean my name. Come over down and matter for social media. I don't want to come out again. I don't want to come out again. Me not share this video, me go meet them. Any young me so the day. Me they clean my name, come off for their matter. You know, consign me, consign them. Now my own how they do they go. I will say not be no game when we say stand for this issue. My name be don't go. I will say not be no game when we say stand. A no game priceless. When we say stand for this issue, my name for don't go. You understand? So now no game I call investigate this issue to make sure say yes. It's monkey. See. So me not clean my neck come up for that matter. I don't know one. I don't know two. Food one not sure. Me gonna let the see of my mouth. You understand? I will say that me and that boy do the video now. That will go be different case. Me not fit defend myself for that one. As one say me not no time. When we say that boy take go rent camera, carry editor, take go do that video. So as this matter dey grand so, me not clean my name. Come on for that matter. Me not clean her. I don't want to come out again. Cause they talk that issue. Happinex, come out. Anywhere where you know so you wrong go. Come out, make you call talk the truth say es monkey, not genuine. Not share you. And person will go we say go record it for that video. Cause me not know location when I take go do that video. My when I ask when my when I end here. So me call passing on my name, now they loud pass like bear for social media. So I beg those of you now they claim my name come out. The matter not concern me, now they claim my name for this issue. Or stop table, grateful mommy. I agree to you. Me now they claim my name for this issue. Then another this matter come out again. How do I swear yes monkey wanna I don't want hear again. I don't want hear. You understand? So as I say I not reply any of una so I don't want hear this matter again on ground. You understand? So because when the boy tell insult everybody so Happinex is different from a monkey, but now me come back and say that my name like all the loud pass for the issue. So I beg, may God bless all of una. So don't forget on Thursday, that be my event. Me not come show me love. Me not come show me love. Them want to do an P4. Me not come show me love. Now them want to do one. God will bless all of you. I want to take there for me. Thanks to you all. God bless you. Thank you.
Bia ni revo na ota prokoso ko ni ro wase na ta video ni bia do wa agujo bia do ne wa agujo bia ni revo na ya ta prokoso ko egbe bia video e kana na mo bo me the music industry music industry pa ma me ani kwikware ya ni kwikweta na te wa se tian ya ni we dramento ebu hebu ni ajo ibata akibata na ya ma ni wa undun abubu ya ebu hebu ibata akibata ni aja je ho enwegbe ugbe ne dramento ni anya ya we ho enwegbe ana we suspended je copy ana we suspended e Peter ibia ni obopa webo e dozen of ye G-Wagon ne kwege whiskey di ya o tazibeko dododo o titi we Wahala ni o titi we wa ya degbo to bo e mi odo ni dewu where you go kan kere gwan owe owie na ka fe o ma keke no fon ma ugbe where you go kan kere gwan where you le ubi I expecting o kan kere tam we abi tan afil o kwa ne de ya fe ai mi we to do atale ya with social media abe mana bia na wuji o ma se mana bia na lese ona dejoa o fitama na etan nwe bo igbina o mu ogbon we fitan ya ya le ai o kan kere la dan do zenu nu eni a ibi agbon we me respect ogbe ne gbo ayegbe erun da orun opa na worun igbe ma won worun opa ni yan wa un dan yan ria wa no ria de we no beze no ho a no ka ke ni bia kana do akuyokure uje gbo ya ki oho tai fi bia ka ya le nu e social media ya fe e ya mu ere o ma ke we ri oni mami orun opa na do ata orun opa owe Peter ma owe Jacob ma Andrew ma Asia ma Austin ma won worun opa ni yan ri awa un dan e no o se na le na we ita no ri un le mami ave me mamu bogbu wa agui wa na ni wa ave solve to na me magu wa agui mami ave commenters yan wa peju wa e owi ri akin afian totoa yan wa peju wa e radio sir oga this one inwanu riso oga this one classic any o ka we gbe capital letter ROIP be mi aseke ade o man anu an mami e bi awu ati e ge bobo ni eni go bia omona zembia noji Lizzy omoruji o agbe ne gbo yegbe we no agbon ma gere eyin mi ma ge ya totayi do gwa level na ugwa level no ka kere na gwe no nwa egun o ari e wo pa oro e ododu go ton bodo ni o bia wo pe no to la mozu na mi lajo wa o ja totayi va o si bie do ai do e minute na nia o si bie do ai e to mu temu ne wa ni no nwa ni ma ni bie ka keke ni ma copy wa do egbe ni na ve ni na wa do e social media wo wa na me social media ni wo be ro ya fe ave go ro ni wo shima wo wa ma na iladnia ni wa do lo ye zo no roto na ma ni bie ka ni ya ogu wa o ja ne gbu wa I ma do aja nu wa social media na me we o de ni wa la ni wa ma yo no ave la wa onu wa gbe wa ni sale le ya I ma kin ajo ja ne gbu wa nu wa eri o kin aje nu wa abo ru e